and we're just trying to help our neighbor.
And
Like,
we're going to be out of here, and we're going to leave you guys alone.
Thank you. No, thank you. But I'm just saying, like, is it such a horrible thing to help your neighbor?
How is a bullhorn an instrument? How is a headset an instrument? It's not a drum set, a trumpet, trombone, brass, whatever.
You're not disrespectful, okay? But you are breaking the law.
I am.
Okay. The United States Supreme Court.
What happens when citizens question police authority in public? From a neighborhood fundraiser accused of illegal vending, to a protester fined for using a bullhorn, to a passenger refusing ID during a traffic stop. These encounters reveal the growing tension between constitutional rights, police authority, and First Amendment protected activity. On ID Refusal Pro, we break down real police encounters using legal analysis, body cam footage, and constitutional case law, without emotion, without bias, and without cutting out the uncomfortable moments. If you care about civil rights, ID refusal, First Amendment audits, and police accountability, subscribe now and stay informed. Full credit to the original creators: J. Trusha Copwatch, Live Free or Die Copwatch, and Amos 99.
This neighborhood or what?
Yeah, yeah, for a neighbor that lives
city
here.
thing?
No.
Okay, so I'm just have to talk to every vendor. They're not allowed to be here if they don't have a permit. We have complaints from the neighborhood, so that's the only reason why I'm here. I'm not
That's
here
so weird because like it's by the neighbors.
yeah, some neighbor that is not here is complaining. So
Neighbor that isn't here is complaining.
somebody in this neighborhood, I don't know who, but they're complaining, and that's why I'm here. I'm not here because I want to be. Trust me. So
Okay. Can I get your name and
yeah,
just
absolutely.
Yeah.
I'll give you a card when I'm done talking to each and every person.
Okay, that's fine. But like I'm also here, so I'd still like to know who you are because
Yeah,
you'd
like
still
I
end
said,
up
I'll
talking
give you
to
a
me.
card when I'm all done.
But if you can say that, you can tell me your name. And
Yeah, it's Finkel 5082, and I'll give you a card too.
Okay,
That way
perfect.
You have it.
No, yeah.
But not your name. That's kind of fucking.
In October 2023, police responded to a neighborhood gathering after complaints about unlicensed vendors at a community fundraiser. What started as a routine compliance check quickly turned into a tense debate over city authority, community support, and whether police were being used to settle a personal dispute.
He just told me his name. I think he said Finkel.
Yeah, Finkel
Okay.
5082.
And
I'm not
So you're
causing any
wearing
problems.
something under there, so it's making you.
Oh, my bad. Yep.
No, you're fine. So he's saying that a neighbor called and complained,
Okay.
and now he's saying that whoever doesn't have a permit, even though, from my understanding, no one needs a permit
These are all
unless they.
neighbors having fun and gathering together.
I know, but unfortunately, if there's selling happening, it's not allowed. If you have to have a permit.
They're donations.
Okay.
That
Need a
wouldn't.
permit. Okay. Like I said, I'm not here because I want to be. I'm here because I got called here. I didn't drive by and I was like, yeah, I'm gonna go pick on them. It wasn't like that.
Okay. And what was your call number?
What do you mean?
Your call number?
My call number?
The call number?
Like the incident number?
Yeah.
Like I said, I'll give you a card when I'm done talking to each vendor. Okay. It's gonna have the incident number, my name, my badge.
You're still talking to
Okay.
me regardless,
Okay.
because
Are you in charge of the vendors?
I mean I'm here.
Okay. Look, I'm not trying to be difficult with you.
I'm not trying to be difficult with you either. I'm simply asking questions.
I get that, and I'll give you a card when I'm all done.
You saying
From
you
what I
giving me a card
understand-
isn't
How about you
giving me
talk to them,
questions.
okay? And I'm gonna go talk to them.
Well, you're the one that started the conversation. You initiated the
You're
whole
gonna try
thing.
to walk
You
off
should be
all
talking
after
to
the
me.
Yeah, what's going on?
Well, that's what I like to know. What's going on?
So there were some complaints about the vendors out here.
Can I just start by saying I hate to come here
Friday.
and do this on a Friday. Okay, can we just start there?
Okay.
Okay, we're only coming because there was reports of like 6 or 7 vendors or something, and they're trying to complain about that. I don't know
For
what they're
what
complaining.
exactly? Like these are all
I don't know
neighbors.
what they're complaining.
These are all neighbors that live here who's helping another neighbor.
So I just want to start with that page. Okay. I don't know
So
what my partner said to you
wouldn't
to start off.
would that not fall as a community thing, like neighbor to neighbor
I don't know
issue,
what
not
my
a
partner officer-
city
No,
issue?
I just want to say, by starting off by saying, we understand that this is a community.
We're not out here. We're not just gonna lay down the hammer and shut this down, right? That's why we're talking to you. So you
Well,
told
he
us
just
that,
said that whoever doesn't have a vending license needs to shut down. I'm telling you that these are all neighbors doing a neighbor event. It's not even an event. It's for another neighbor. So
community coming together to help
exactly.
Let me
So yeah, it's a community thing, not a city thing.
here's what I'm thinking. I'm gonna call whoever reported and try to work out something.
I mean, it would be best because it's within our own community.
I don't think that
So-
you guys are trashing the place. I don't hear loud music.
We don't. We actually have trash bags for everybody.
I honestly,
So it's.
yeah.
I'm pretty sure I know exactly who it was who has an issue with me personally. So if she has an issue with me personally, she needs to come and speak to me. She can't be, making reports to you guys and using our taxpayers' money because she doesn't like the idea of me.
Right, and I'd hate to come out and be a representative of the city and be like, you guys to shut this down because I'm not trying to ruin you guys' Friday. Right?
Especially because she doesn't she can't really have anything to say. Like these are neighbors.
1 second, let me just try to call this.
Okay. Espérense, no haga nada. No se preocupe, para eso estamos.
I'm gonna talk to my partner and we're gonna work all this out. Okay?
Awesome, thank you. I mean, because it'd be best because, like I said, this is these are neighbors with neighbors. It's not like.
Okay. Do you have any questions for me? I don't mean to be difficult, I swear.
I'm not trying to be difficult either, but if it's neighbors with neighbors trying to help another neighbor out, this has nothing to do with the city. We all live here.
Okay.
We all pay taxes in these buildings.
And I know you do.
So we have.
But we have a job to do.
Which is fine, but it's more than most likely. I already know who it is. She has an issue with me personally, and like I told him, if she has an issue, she needs to talk to me. She can't be using taxpayers' resources because she has an issue with somebody. Just one person. Yeah. That's what are we using our resources for?
Yeah, I get it.
Can I talk to you?
Yeah.
Are you the one that posted this?
We can say I'm hosting. I'm not necessarily. It's not an event. It's literally neighbors that live in this neighborhood that are having a hard time.
Mm-hmm.
So we all got together to help a neighbor out.
Oh, it's like it. Okay,
Yeah, it's not J. J-A-Y.
J-A-Y. And your last name? Just because I'm speaking to you.
I just want to be spoken to as J.
J? Okay.
Yeah. That's how I go by, and that's how I like people to call me. I'd like to have all of your guys' names and badges, numbers on there. Just because, thank you for handling the way you did, and I want to make sure I don't have complaints on the wrong person or, give the wrong person, the wrong, not complaint, but a praise,
Yeah, she's gonna write down all of our names.
Awesome, thank you. Yeah, well, I'm not trying to be an asshole. I'm just
We're not trying to be either.
yeah, no, I totally get it. I just, I just don't like that it's because this one person who doesn't like me. I've had incidents with her before, and and she just doesn't like me. She has an issue with me, and it's just personal. So it's not cool that she wants to make it something else with everybody else when we're just simply trying to help another neighbor.
So we just give them a warning. If the people with the permit are here again, then they're gonna get a citation. That's it. Okay.
Well, that's fine because this is literally it's not like we're doing this for 3 days, 2 days.
Yeah.
So it's for a
So
couple
then
of
we're good.
hours,
Then we're good.
and we're just trying to help our neighbor.
And
We're
gonna be out of here, and we're gonna leave you guys alone.
Thank you. No, thank you. But I'm just saying, is it such a horrible thing to help your neighbor?
Legally, cities can require permits for commercial vending under municipal code regulations. However, officers also recognized this appeared to be a temporary neighborhood fundraiser rather than an organized business operation. The citizen challenged the legitimacy of the complaint while remaining mostly cooperative and nonviolent. From a constitutional perspective, this was less about ID refusal and more about discretionary enforcement and proportional police response. Police conduct, B, and citizen conduct, A.
No, it's not, and I get it, and that's why I'm not here saying you guys gotta get out of here.
No,
now.
I'm not saying that either. I'm not trying to be a dick. I'm sorry if I'm sounding like one.
You're
it
good.
frustrates me that I know I'm almost 100% who it is, and if she would just talk to me like a grown person, like she is supposed to be, we can at least be like, okay, if you don't want us to be here after this time, fine. We can work something out together. We don't have to bicker and bitch with each other, That's all. That's it.
We have just really have fun together, bring dogs and kids.
And I believe it. That's why I'm not telling you guys to leave. I'm just
Thank you. Thank you.
I
I
appreciate
appreciate that.
yeah. Have a good one, okay?
Yeah, we just have fun. Neighborhood get together. Thank you.
I don't answer questions. I don't answer questions. You just asked me a question. Am I going to accept it? I don't answer questions.
In September 2022, Live Free or Die Cop Watch says he was fined $100 while legally protesting with a bullhorn. The dispute turns on one question. Did police enforce a real noise ordinance or stretch the law against First Amendment activity?
I didn't say that. I don't answer questions. I don't answer questions. I don't listen to tyrants. Cohen versus California.
Here you go.
Under what? Under what?
Noise ordinance
Which one?
for the loud noise making.
And what's the ordinance? What's the number?
I don't. Okay, it's 14.2.
Where does it say noise amplifying devices? Where does it say that? Go ahead and read your ordinance before you think about handing me that.
Are you gonna take it or not?
Go ahead and read your fucking ordinance before you hand me something that's not even in it.
Have a nice day.
Nah, bullshit, motherfucker. Bullshit, motherfucker. Nah, go to your fucking ordinance, bullshit. All right. And where does it say? You're a public servant. I can follow you.
If you want me to pull up the ordinance, I'll pull it up.
Yeah, pull it up. Pull it up.
Stay away from my car.
I can go up to your car. It's public property. It is public property. Fuck are you talking about, public servant? 120. License plate XB0958. Go ahead, read the ordinance. Where is it? Does it say noise amplifying devices?
Any other annoying?
Does that look like an instrument to you? Does that look like an instrument? Please tell me. Does this look like an instrument to you? No, does that look like an instrument? Because then this is illegal.
I showed you the ordinance.
Where? How is that an instrument?
Take it up with the city.
I will take up with the fucking city because that's illegal what you just fucking did. Are you gonna give me the fucking ordinance? Name and badge number. Name and fucking badge number.
Local Walk, badge number 499.
Alright, because how is that an instrument? Oh, of course. Because you can't. Because it's not a fucking instrument. Take this fucking donut, choke on it and die, you piece of shit. Fuck you. Fuck the police! Fuck the police! Name and badge number, please. Okay, same thing as badge number, because I guess you guys don't have official badge numbers. ID number, same crap. Okay, so I was just issued this.
Yes, sir.
But here it says instruments and annoying instruments and whatnot. A bullhorn's not an instrument. That's a sound amplifying device. That's not an instrument. So nothing that I was using while I was protesting, so make it a crime and fining me for the First Amendment, I still get a $100 fine, even though there's two case laws I could say right now, Cohen v. California and Pines v. City of West Palm Beach, that protect me using a bullhorn while protesting. I still got that.
You can bring it to court.
So you don't have the power to
No, sir.
void this
Been
at all.
issued by one of our supervisors.
But aren't you a
Legitimate.
supervisor since
I
you're a
am.
lieutenant? So you're above him.
Yes, I am.
So how can
But
you
I
not have the
agree with
power?
citation.
How do you agree with the citation?
I'm not going to get into the logistics of it. Okay. You don't believe that you deserve that citation?
Well,
You don't
right
think it-
here,
you
your
don't think it
officer
fits
your officer didn't even do it right.
Well, if you don't think it fits that, then take it to court.
So you think he did it right?
That is your legal remedy. Is take it to court.
Okay, but you think he did it right, even though nowhere does it say on here, sound amplifying devices.
Yes.
But okay, it's other instruments. How is a bullhorn an instrument? How is a headset an instrument? It's not a drum set, a trumpet, trombone, brass, whatever.
Legally, cities may regulate amplified sound through content-neutral time, place, and manner rules, but Cohen v. California protects offensive political expression, and Pine v. West Palm Beach shows sound restrictions still need careful First Amendment review. Here, police get C+ for offering an appeal path, but weak ordinance explanation. Citizen gets B for spotting legal issues, but loses points for hostile language.
Look, we can argue this all day long. I'm telling you, your remedy to this is take it to court. I'm not gonna fight the logistics of it here in the middle of the parking lot. If you don't believe it was rightly issued, then take it to court.
See, here's the thing, that's going to cost me more money for something that your officer did incorrectly, and then I can't get it back from him because he's just going to get that qualified immunity crap.
Well, that's not going to cost you any more money.
So go to court, and then there's legal fees for that. There's court.
Not if you believe you're correct.
I still have to pay a court fee. I have to still pay a fine. There's fines for that.
I don't. Okay. Well, that's.
Aren't there fines for that?
I don't believe. I don't know if you.
So okay, do I take it to the court or the kangaroo court, the whole county?
You take it to the city. It's City Hall.
City Hall. Yes. Okay, so it's not court. Okay, then that's different. Okay, I thought you were referring to the courthouse way the fuck down there. You're talking to. They meet where? Right here?
Right, City Hall, down the street.
Down the street. Okay. Do you have the address? Do you know the address?
326 West Marion, I believe.
Can you write that on here, please?
Actually, hold on. I think it's actually.
Because he didn't write it to me.
Actually, look. There you go. So, pretty much, you contact them, and you go from there. It actually. There you go. You must contest the charge. It's that co-compliance within 10 working business days. And I don't know if it's at that exact address, but that's your pretty much what you do right there.
Oh, and see right there. If you are found guilty, up to $100 will be basically.
If you're found guilty
of this, even though it's the completely wrong ordinance.
So I would assume that if you are found to be correct and it's dropped, there would be no court case for that.
Okay. So even if, because it's a committee board, this isn't like state laws or nothing. They don't even go based on that. They only go based off what's read here. Because I've seen.
Ordinance. That's why you had to contact code compliance if you want to.
Okay, because I'm going to contact them because first of all, that's unconstitutional, and it's not even if it was constitutional. Let's just say it was. That's not even the right thing. That's. I don't have an instrument. I don't have a drum set. I don't have a fucking clarinet. I'm not Mr. Squidward.
How you doing?
Hey, how are you?
Whatever the traffic stop was, it doesn't really matter. I'm not here for that, obviously.
Just in case I started recording, because
that's fine.
If anything, if I need it for court or anything.
You can record all you want, no problem.
In September 2014, a passenger in Rhode Island recorded a traffic stop that turned into a debate over ID refusal, constitutional rights, and police authority. The key question: during a lawful stop, can officers identify every passenger, even when that passenger committed no traffic violation?
You're obligated when you're in a motor vehicle to present your ID.
When you're driving?
When you're in the motor vehicle, yes, like right now.
Can I see what law is that?
I don't have the law book on me, I know the law. That's.
So if you know it, how come?
If you weren't in the car and you parked in a parking lot, no. But as far as the motor vehicle being operated, yes.
Right, so get the law for me, give me what law it is, and then
the law for you.
You're a police officer, you're supposed to know all the laws and
Let me talk to you. Step out of the car for me.
I'm not stepping out of the car.
What's that?
I'm not stepping out of the car for my safety.
For your safety?
For my safety.
What do you think, we're going to beat you up?
No, but once you tell somebody to step out of the car, it's either they're being arrested, you're going to take them in for questioning or something like that. Okay. If I'm not going to be... I'd rather stay here where this is recording in case something happens.
Mr. Lawyer, okay?
No, I told him I'm not a lawyer. I'm not a lawyer. But I value my rights. I have rights. I know the Constitution. I know what rights I have.
We do it with every single car stop.
You give up your rights when you're in the car.
When you're driving.
When you're driving.
When you're driving.
You have to present your ID.
Yeah, when you're driving.
If you don't have your ID, that's fine. But you got to give them a name.
I'm not giving out my name just because. Because you're gonna start. I need your name. I need your date of birth. You're gonna look me up. You're gonna have my address. You're gonna have all the information. Yeah. But what crimes did I commit?
He didn't say you committed any, did he?
No one's saying we do it with every single car.
Yep.
As far as you getting out of the car, I know you're thinking you're Joe Attorney.
No, I don't think that. I don't think that.
If you're getting arrested, you're gonna get arrested. Yeah. Okay, you're not.
All right. So when you say I'm being arrested, then we'll take it from there.
Why would I say that? Why would I say you're being arrested if
I don't
you're
know.
sitting in the passenger
Yeah,
seat?
because you're asking me for my name, my date of birth.
That's just for our safety. That's why we do that.
Yeah, but why did he get pulled over? Right?
I had him for speeding.
Okay, so that's his problem.
Yeah, but
I'm just getting the ride home.
Listen, but you're in the car, okay?
Yeah, but I didn't commit a crime. I didn't speed.
We're not saying that you did. We identify everyone in the car.
You're not
every
listening
single car
to me.
stop.
I am listening.
Okay. When you get out of the car, okay, we don't just arrest people to get out of the car. We just don't tell you to get out for the heck of it, okay? For our safety, we ask for ID. Now you're obligated by the state to do that, okay?
Do you see anybody shooting? Do you see anybody with a bazooka?
No, I'm not here to be a debate. That's for court, okay?
All right, so whatever you got to do, but I'm not giving up my rights. I'm not giving up my rights. And I know that's not a law. Once you tell me the law, what number it is, everything, we're going to look it up,
It is a law,
stuff like that.
I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Where are you guys from?
Providence.
Providence?
Hey, how are you?
Hey, how's it going?
What's going on?
Just going home from work.
What do you want it?
Yes.
Down at Quonset? Hey, can you hop off just for a minute? I just want to talk to you real quick.
Nah, I want to stay with the camera recording because I don't know. You know, I don't want to be.
Feel free to bring the camera with you.
I don't want to carry that and have it in your face, you know.
Okay.
But
then you know what?
I don't want to be disrespectful. I don't want to take you guys away from doing your job and stuff. But they say that when you have rights, either you use them or you lose them, you know.
You're not disrespectful, okay? But you are breaking the law.
I am.
Okay. The United States Supreme Court.
Legally, Pennsylvania v. Mims allows officers to order a driver out during a lawful stop, and Maryland v. Wilson extends that rule to passengers. But removal from the vehicle is not always the same as forced ID. Hybel allows compelled identification only where state law requires it and reasonable suspicion exists. Police get B for citing officer safety, but weakly explaining the ID basis. Citizen gets B+ for asking precise legal questions while staying mostly calm.
Says that we have every right to take you out of this car while we conduct a traffic stop.
Even when I'm not being arrested, I wasn't driving, I don't have any probable cause, you know, just with my friend, because he already got a ticket, he's late for, he's giving me a ride, as a courtesy, for me, because my car broke down. I'll give you my ID, all right? Because I've been here for 31 years in this country, never been arrested, don't have any kind of,
I'm not arguing any of that stuff.
I don't have any records, everything's clean,
Do we have his ID?
Yeah, I'll give it to him now, just for my friend. If it was me, I'll be here till 5 in the morning. I don't have it. Yeah, I'll just give it to you. Okay. So I'm gonna reach for my ID, all right?
You go right ahead.
Just for my friend.
Yep.
I'll give up my rights for my friend.
Well, it has nothing to do with rights, my friend.
All right, here you go. You're not gonna find anything. I just wanna, when you have the rights, if you don't use it, you lose it.
These three encounters raise the same question. Where does lawful police authority end, and where do constitutional rights begin? Was this proper enforcement, misapplied ordinances, or citizens refusing to surrender rights they believe still matter? Now, we want to hear from you. Do passengers have to identify during traffic stops? Can amplified protest speech be fined? Should police respond differently to community events? Comment below with your legal opinion and tell us which side got it right. And don't leave yet. The next video on ID Refusal Pro may be even more intense. Another real-world police encounter involving First Amendment rights, ID refusal, and escalating police interactions you won't want to miss. Subscribe, turn on notifications, and stay informed.